So now in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to make coffee syrup. It's pretty simple, but yeah, we have to learn to make a good coffee syrup with the right measurements. So that is a simple sugar syrup that we've always been making or using to soak the cakes, layered cakes, and with the same measurement of the water and the sugar. Now with that syrup you could just make like a bigger portion of the sugar syrup if you have to be using it for the different other layered cakes, and then when you have to make the coffee syrup, then take a portion of it like according to the recipe, and then go ahead with the simple syrup, add the instant coffee powder, and that is like easy thing for me to do instead of having to take the extracts. Now, so we could just have control of how much is the intensity of the coffee that I would like from the syrup. Okay, so I'm just going to allow this sugar syrup, simple syrup, to boil. You can't be having it like really cold and then add the instant coffee powder and then expect it to dissolve and melt and combine, right? So this is going to be heating up, and then once I start seeing the bubbles, I'm going to add the instant coffee powder in and then mix it up, and then again I have to allow it to cool. Now if you have to make coffee syrup only directly, then you don't have to kind of have to make the simple syrup ahead of time and then to get back to again heating it up. You can just start right here, add the water, add the sugar, and then allow it to boil, and then at that stage add the instant coffee powder and then mix it up. And obviously now it will be quite hot at the end of this process, and we need to let it cool completely in the refrigerator. It's like really cold from the refrigerator is when this syrup will be ready to use. I'm just going to allow it to heat it up for some more time. You can start seeing the steam coming out, but just want to allow it to boil now before I just want to add the coffee powder. So it's now steaming up and right about to boil. So it's now beginning to boil. I'm just going to add the coffee powder and just mix it up. And let it boil now. It's just started to boil, and you don't have to just leave it like quite long and all that. So just have to switch it off, and then I'm going to transfer this into another airtight jar and then leave it in the fridge and let it cool down completely, and then I'll get back to show you how we are going to use the coffee syrup.